is 10.2, finding the constant of integration. All right, now let's try to discuss example number 3. Find the equation of the curve that passes through these 2 points, for this point 4, -1, and where the dy dx is given to be by this one. And then based on the video number 2 that we had, because there is only one term below, then we need to divide each term. All right, 5x squared, divide each term by square root of x plus 1 over square root of x. And then you will have there, this is going to be equal to 5x2 raised to 3 over 2 plus x2, the -1 over 2. Now we are ready to integrate. So when you integrate that one, that is x raised to 3 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 over 2. This is times 5 times 2 over 5 plus x raised to -1/2. So that is x to the half times 2 over 1 plus c, which will actually give you this one. All right, this is now your final answer. But then we're looking for this value of c. What is the value of that one? If this curve passes through 4, -1, we just need to plug in this -1 for the y, and then this x for this one, in order for you to be able to find the c. Plugging it, -1 equals 2 times 4 to the 5 over 2. Then you have the c. Then you will get the c is equal to -69, and this is now your final answer. All right, so that is how for you to be able to find the value of the c. Now let's try to write down the steps for that. So the first step is, again, if you have the question, let's say you have dy dx is given. All right, is given. So the first step that you need to do is to analyze if you can apply the basic formula. Okay, and what are the basic formula? The one that we have learned, sigma of x to the n dx, right? So these are the basic formulas. If you can apply this one, then that is basic formula. If yes, then use it. What about if no? If no, then you simplify first. Okay, remember how to simplify? Either you open the bracket, or you have the divide each term if you have rational fraction, like where is it? Like this one here, right? Now, after you integrate, basically, then after this one, then apply the integral. Then go to this one. From here, you go there. Okay, then you go down now here. Solve for c. How will you solve for c? Plug in the given point. All right, and that's it. So let's try to have more example from here. By the way, guys, okay, we have learned that one before from the previous chapter. So let's say a curve is such that the derivative is 10 over x cubed minus 4, and the point -1, 2 lies on the curve. Find the equation of the curve. When you say equation of the curve, then that is the one that you're looking for, the f of x. And the f of x is equal to the integral of the derivative of the f prime of x. Okay, with respect to your x, which is equal to the integral of 10 over x cubed minus 4 dx. All right, so this one then, again, you see a fraction here, so you need to rewrite. So when you rewrite it, that's going to be 10x to the -3. And then now we are ready to integrate. So this is 10x to the -1/2 over -2. That is -2 there, minus 4x plus c. So now that is your y. So you need to solve the c by substituting -1, 2, because the line or the curve passes through -1, 2. So now you can solve for the c is equal to 3, then rewrite the answer. Okay. All right, I think you can just look at in this example. What am I going to do is that on the next video, I'm gonna have like actual past papers, so that you'd be able to be immersed into the questions itself. Okay, so for this you can just do it by yourself, but the next video is about going over through the past paper. So please don't miss the next video. It will help you. Goodbye.